If you think all trucks feel the same, this one will change your mind. The 2026 Silverado 1500 is built with power choices that actually matter. It starts with a 2.7-liter turbo. Small engine, big attitude, making 310 horsepower with quick low-end torque. Want that classic sound and strength? The 5.3-liter V8 delivers proven performance, while the 6.2-liter V8 cranks out 420 horsepower for serious speed and muscle. Need torque that works all day. The 3.0-liter Duramax diesel brings massive pulling power and impressive efficiency, all paired with a smooth 10-speed automatic, towing up to 13,000 pounds.